Good morning, student. It's the new chapter, relation and function. But now in syllabus only relation. And first thing, what is the relation? What is the relation? Relation, that means a subset. Relation, that means is a subset of A cross A. Then AB belongs A cross A. Relation is denoted by capital R. Capital R is a real number, but relation is denoted by, this is A related B. Now read is A is related to B, yeah, otherwise is a notation A is related to B, this is related. Both are different notation, but meaning is same. Relation, that means subset, right? For example, a relation R be set of L lines, and now its condition is given L1 related L2, then condition is given L1 is perpendicular to L2. For every L1, L2 is a belongs set A. Set A, that is means set of all lines. Relation, there are three type relation. One is the reflexive relation. Second is symmetric relation. And third is transitive relation. Transitive relation. There are three relations: reflexive relation taking one element, single element, and now the A related to A. Self का self से जो relation होता है, that is reflexive relation. Symmetric relation, that means taking two elements, and now taking two elements A and B is a belongs any set A, and now definition is A related to B, then implies B related to A. For example, right? Rakesh is a brother of Sanju. That means, but Sanju is a brother of Rakesh. That is symmetric relation. ये उसका भाई है तो वो भी उसका भाई होना चाहिए, right? And transitive relation, taking three elements A, B, C is a belongs set A, and now transitive, definition of transitive, A related B and, this is the notation of and, B related C then implies A related C. This is transitive relation. So now in syllabus there are three relations: reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation. And all three relation अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में प्रूव हो जाते हैं तो this is equivalence, equivalence relation. So student, now maximum question prove that R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation, that means R is a reflexive, R is a symmetric, R is a transitive. But is a कई बार identity relation. Identity relation, that means if the each element of A is related to itself only, itself, self का self relation. Reflexive is also same condition, but any identity relation is a reflexive relation. But reflexive relation may or may not be identity relation. Correct? So every element, an identity element is a reflexive relation. Identity element reflexive हो सकता है, but reflexive relation may or may not be identity relation. Now, equivalence relation, a relation R is in set A is said to be an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation, that means R is a reflexive, R is a symmetric, R is a transitive. Now, for example, L1 is perpendicular to L2, right? Now check R is a reflexive. Now check R is a symmetric. Now check R is a transitive. First thing is the reflexive relation L1. Taking one element, L1 is a belongs set A, right? Taking one element. फर्स्ट रिलेशन चेक कर रहे हैं हम, रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. इस कंडीशन के लिए रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन है या नहीं, राइट? सो L1 related L1. Now apply in condition L1 is perpendicular to L1, राइट? क्या एक लाइन, एक सिंगल लाइन क्या अपने आप के परपेंडिकुलर हो सकती है? नो, नथिंग. दैट मीन्स L1 is not perpendicular to L1. That means L1 is not related to L1. Therefore, R is not reflexive relation. Same symmetric relation. Now taking two elements, let L1 and L2 belongs set A, right? And now this is second relation, check कर रहे हैं symmetric. And now symmetric relation, that means taking two elements, one is L1, other is L2, is a belongs set A. Now the definition, A related B implies B. यानी आपको A related B लेके चलना है, मतलब L1 related L2 लेके चलना है और लाना है L2 related L1. तो L1 related L2 को कंडीशन में अप्लाई करते हैं. L1 is perpendicular to L2, right? That means L1 is perpendicular to L2. L1 L2 को perpendicular हुआ तो क्या L2 is perpendicular to L1? Yes. This is line L1, this is line L2. L1 L2 के perpendicular to L2. L1 is also perpendicular. So now L2 is perpendicular to L1. Therefore, L2 is related L1. Therefore, R is a symmetric relation. Now the third, transitive relation. You know, student, transitive relation taking three elements. Transitive relation taking three elements. And taking three elements, that means let L1, L2 and L3. Now L1, L2, L3 is a belongs set A. This is third relation, transitive relation. Transitive relation. Then taking three element L1, L2, L3 belongs set A. L1 is perpendicular, L1 related L2, taking L1, L2 and taking L2 related L3. Now apply condition, L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L1 to L2 is perpendicular to L3. भाई ये आपका L1 है, L1 L2 के perpendicular है, L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3. So that means L1 and L3 are parallel. So now from first L1 related L2 and L2 related L3, that means L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3. That is L1 is not perpendicular. That means parallel to L3. So L1 is not perpendicular. That means L1 is not related L3. So there is not transitive relation. So student, ये तो check किया. Now another example. Suppose आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है कि एक सेट S is the real number is defined, कंडीशन दे रखी है एक रिलेशन x और y में रिलेशन and x related y. Now condition x minus y plus root 3. Now another condition and check all relation. Condition is x related y. Then x minus y plus root 3. x और y में क्या रिलेशन है? एक सेट है, एक रिलेशन R is a set of real number. Relation as real number is defined x related y, x minus y plus root 3. This is the condition, is an irrational number. पूरा sentence ये है, x minus y plus root 3 is an irrational number, right? सबसे पहले now check this is reflexive or not, right? Reflexive relation taking only single element, let x, and where x belongs set A. and where set A is a real number. Now, let x and y is a belongs set A, and where A set A is a real number, x is a belongs A. Now, x related x, apply the condition x related x. Condition में apply किया x minus x plus root 3, right, is an irrational number. Apply किया मैंने condition में, x is x, y is also x. X minus x is cancelled, 0. Left root 3. You know student, root 3 irrational या irrational? Please decide कि root 3 is irrational या rational. Root 3 is irrational number. That means implies x related x. Therefore, R is the reflexive relation. क्या आपने condition में apply किया, condition में apply करने का आपका result irrational number आ रहा है, right? That means R is reflexive. But same question, and now check कि this number is reflexive or not. Same number, same condition. Then suppose transitive, now taking A related B, that implies B related A, right? So, transitive, it is possible or not, reflexive and symmetric. Now, for example, transitive के लिए मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया, x is a root 3 and y is 2, right? एक रियल नंबर रूट 3 ले लिया और एक मैंने रियल नंबर 2 ले लिया. रूट 3 related to, that is a root 3 minus 2 plus root 3, right? This is an irrational number, right? And but 2 related 3 कर root 3 करता हूँ, तो that means x is 2 and y is root 3. So root 3 cancel. This is 2, but 2 is a not irrational number. That means x related y, but implies y is not related x. एक भी नंबर के लिए not, that is not. That means R is not symmetric. आप कोई भी दो अदर एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए, 1 and 2 ले लीजिए रियल नंबर, नो प्रॉब्लम. Real number, all, what is the real number? Natural number are real number, whole number are real number, integers number are real number, rational number are real number, irrational number are नहीं, taking any two. लेकिन जहाँ मैं एक रेशनल और एक इरेशनल लेकर जब मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, राइट, तो मैंने देखा मुझे दो नंबर एक ऐसे लेने जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन ए रिलेटेड बी होना चाहिए, बट बी रिलेटेड ए होता है या नहीं होता है उस पर डिसाइड करता है. सो देन एक्स रिलेटेड वाई, वाई इज नॉट रिलेटेड एक्स. सेम इज अ ट्रांजिटिव. अब ट्रांजिटिव के लिए एग्जाम्पल कोई भी आप दो लोगे, राइट. सपोज इज एग्जाम्पल 1 plus root 3, x is a 1 plus root 3, y equals to 5 and z equals to 2 root 3. आप अप्लाई कीजिए, राइट. x रिलेटेड y होगा, y रिलेटेड z होगा, बट z रिलेटेड x, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन r इज नॉट ट्रांजिटिव. एक भी नंबर के लिए आप x की वैल्यू 1 plus root 3, y equals to 5 और z equals to 2 root 3, दैट इज द सेम. तो स्टूडेंट रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांजिटिव चेक करना आना चाहिए पहले, और चेक करने के स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट टू 5 क्वेश्चन ओनली चेक द आर इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, आर इज सिमेट्रिक, आर इज ट्रांजिटिव. डेफिनेशन क्लियर होनी चाहिए, व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, व्हाट इज सिमेट्रिक, व्हाट इज ट्रांजिटिव. रिफ्लेक्सिव सेल्फ का सेल्फ से रिलेशन, ए रिलेटेड ए, सिमेट्रिक ए रिलेटेड बी, दैन इम्प्लाइज बी रिलेटेड ए. बट ट्रांजिटिव ए रिलेटेड ए बी एंड बी रिलेटेड सी, दैन इम्प्लाइज ए रिलेटेड सी. So student, please solve exercise 1.1, 1 to 6 question. Thank you.